past the pumpkin patch on the left, there's a house with a silver SUV in the driveway. If push comes to shove, maybe I could park on the dirt. You guys walk me over to that lawn, and that might work out okay. You don't like damaging crop. If we do,
Right.
we pony up for it.
What are they gonna do? Go ask and see if we can do it?
We always try to get permission in advance.
Okay.
Sometimes, though, if there's no choice, you get permission after the fact.
Yeah.
That's the way that stuff works.
Those pumpkins.
I was hoping to get more of a hook to the left down here. I can't get it yet.
It's like they have permission,
Yeah.
or no one's home.
Yeah.
Well, nobody's out there with a shotgun.
Right.
Plus. Hey, mister, I told you people you couldn't land those things here. Something you don't want to hear. Oh, a balloon's been here before. Okay. Yeah. I'm looking to park just the other side of those pumpkins from you, and then we can walk it over to that grass if they say it's okay.
Yay.
Okay, I just hit some cold air and I popped back up. I'm going to try to drop her back down, and she'd be right down in here, theoretically. Hit that cold air, got instant buoyance.
Yeah, I was wondering what happened. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, that's what happens when you're working with this buoyancy stuff, you know. You only get 3 kinds, neutral, positive, and negative. It's all got to do with differential of the temperature. This is nice and cream puffy.
Look at the horse right below us. He's right underneath us.
What is it, a dog?
Horse.
Oh, I didn't see.
Came out of the woods.
Oh.
Hey, just two of you. Hey there.
Pumpkin.
Hey there.
Yeah, he's on the other side.
Oh, precious.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
Oh, over here. Two over here. They aren't afraid.
Well, they haven't looked up yet. I'm coming.
You're looking at the people on the ground.
Yeah.
Wow.